Hi everybody, this is CR number 16, helper video number 5. It says look at the equation. How many solutions are possible for the equation? Well, try to remember, first thing we do is we always circle that number in the front of the parentheses and we distribute it to each term inside the parentheses. 6 times x is 6x. Sorry about that, for some reason it's not writing. A positive times a negative is a negative, and 6 times 3 is 18. Bring down your equal sign. I'm going to circle the next one in a different color just so you can see it. Circle that number in front of the parentheses. Multiply it by each term. 4 times x is 4x.
And condensed.
Positive times a negative is a negative, and 4 times 4 is 16. We have a third part here, so I'm going to go ahead and do that one even in a different color. So I circle the number and the sign in front of the parentheses. Positive times a positive is a positive, and 2 times x is 2x. Positive times a negative is a negative, and 2 times 1 is 2. I then go ahead and look at this right side here. Notice that I have several terms, and I could probably put some of them together. Looks like I have some x's here and here that I could put together. And I have some constants here and here that I could put together. So I'm going to make columns. And remember, I only do one side of the equal sign. So I'm doing my x's and my nose. For my x's, I have a positive 4x and I have a positive 2x. For my nose, I have a negative 16 and a negative 2. I go ahead and put them together. 4x's plus 2x's is 6x's. I have 2 negative signs here, right? If I have 16 negatives and 2 more negatives, I have a total of 18 negatives. I'm going to go ahead and simplify this whole thing to 6x minus 18. I'm going to write that down here. Bring down my equal sign, and then what do I still have on the other side but 6x plus minus 18? Well, hopefully you're noticing something already. Both sides, this one and this one, are exactly the same. Even if I went ahead and subtracted 6x on both sides, these would zero out, these would zero out, and I'm left with negative 18 equals negative 18. Still, both sides are exactly the same. And when both sides are exactly the same, I have infinitely many solutions. Good luck.